Good Morning Cereals is a small grain puffing business based in Toowoomba. We bought the business in 2003. Started off with one manual puffing machine and we've now got 5 fully automated puffing machines. Definitely been a growing business. We have a retail brand we sell into organic stores, but we also supply a lot of manufacturers with puffed grains. We have a Matthews Inkjet printer which prints the bulk cartons that come through the gluten-free line. Basically they're about making the labelling of cartons more efficient and also to reduce the risk of making dating mistakes. Matthews has been great, service has been fantastic, so we've probably set up maybe 3 months ago, so getting the labelling right, getting everything working the way it's meant to be. We've had a few little issues, but service has been fantastic and it's coming together now really well. So we're really just hoping for a more efficient way of labelling our boxes, and that's what Matthews has come up with for us. It just automatically goes through the carton taper, labels sprayed on with the inkjet, and no one has to think too hard about it, so it's great. I think Matthews, for me, is a good example of how to deal with customers. I look at the way they respond to emails, respond to phone calls, looping in other people within a company if you make an inquiry. Just their customer service is spot on.